You can take it out. You're good.
Round two.
It looks like yours.
Edible flowers that make you hallucinate.
They make you hallucinate. Yeah.
Can't do that.
Outfits that started this year.
And
You can smell the gunpowder still.
What's your choice of frozen cocktail?
All right, she was the smart one. She brought flip-flops. Okay? We had to rush and put our sneakers on. The sand is just scorching hot, burning, and it's not very fun. Third degree burns.
I'm off duty.
outside.
For the unprepared
Dry them outside.
to
They'll dry easy in the sun.
figure out their shoe situation. Time to go. We will be back to show you a little bit more of Anastasia Beach. Hope you enjoyed what you saw so far. And tonight we're going to take you to see some good eats. So stay tuned. Bye. Take this because in the car it's going to explode.
Who was eating
Well, we
chicken
put it in
wings?
my purse.
What chicken wings?
Somebody was eating chicken wings?
Why you say that?
Eating chicken wings?
Look at all the fingerprints. Somebody had to be eating chicken wings.
That I don't know. Turn it on though. Let me turn.
We headed to Odd Birds for some grub and some drinks.
And for a birthday, party.
Let's get it.
You wanna know how you win? You gotta go to where how we had it flooded with the
Today we rolling up to Odd Birds. A little outside seating.
Oh, I want a picture.
We got a little bird cage. What's this? This is like a white room?
It's still like an auger.
It is. Kind of.
Behind that bookcase is the speakeasy. We're open on Fridays and Saturdays. Right now they booked out to the end of the month, so there's nothing until July.
Got my pinky up. Drinking my pinky up.
That's the pinky in the air drink.
Where the cookie at?
Yeah.
I like my name better.
I got it.
It's so small. It's really good. It's a little bit like grapefruit, but it's a nice refreshing drink for the summer, so I would definitely recommend it.
That got liquor. That got liquor in it.
Got that extra birthday.
They hooked you up. They said happy birthday, dude.
Before it even reached my tongue, the sentence wave. True. I was like, oh, okay.
Now he's panicking.
That's what I drank last night.
I guess that's why they called the panic and poop because he panicked, but we didn't take a sip.
Uh-oh. Did I mess up?
Water. Somebody got it.
The responsible one. Salud. Bosa's not here, so this is for Bosa. Salud.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, man. So this here is the Mojo chicharrones, which is pork belly fried with Mojo on top.
It doesn't matter.
That look good. Good texture. Good, nice ratio of crispiness and juiciness. Yeah, if you get one of those.
Oh, it has a kick.
What's it?
Does it hurt?
Okay.
I like being beaten, so it's really good. It's really flavorful. I like it.
You know, when Guitar Hero comes back out, me and DD gonna go on to it.
What? Stop it.
Yeah, I used to play that.
My dad would be
Oh my god.
Peach.
No, wow. That's right. And then your server will be as well as the rest of the cake.
Thank you.
Hold on,
Thank you very much.
picture this. I need a picture this.
Um,
It's really pretty.
But yeah, I think at peak we had close to like 80 something people watching us at one time. We had a lot. It sucks to be. We would have kept doing it if they didn't shut it down.
This here is the noche.
It looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
I made this about it. This one.
And it is so flavorful. It does have like a citrusy taste to it. I don't know if it's something citrusy or if it's the kind of cheese that I'm tasting.
That looks amazing.
It's good.
What's that Is it the cheese or is it like some citrus in it?
No, that's like a Asiago cheese type of thing.
It's the cheese.
It's the cheese. I'm about to have one of these.
Really good.
I'm about to.
Amazing.
This is fantastic.
Really amazing.
Yeah, maybe they took one from next year.
Right. Wow. Man, I should have gotten my meat with the side of.
Try it.
Yes, I tried it.
Yeah, okay.
Here you are.
Make it
Everyone's moving already on drinks.
You gotta move down. Can I get the drink menu again? Actually.
Yeah, I'll bring that over and I'll read it.
This tastes very good. Especially the pieces with the red on it. I don't know if that's paprika or sea salt. Maybe sea salt.
It's paprika.
Yeah, paprika is a good touch on this. It tastes really, really good.
Yeah, good presentation.
Did you know these are edible?
Flowers?
Flowers?
Did you also know these are hallucinogenics?
That falls enough for me.
So they're gonna try the edible petal.
I feel like it's gonna be fine. I feel like it's gonna be nothing.
We'll see what happens.
Nothing.
We'll see what happens. Fill me in like an hour. Here, I will learn from my mother's lesson.
Pork belly.
It sounded like you had a good time. Did I start read the instructions?
And Grandma's like, I'll take care of you. It's okay.
That is true, funny.
I wish I was there.
Cause
You
we
just
outside, you
cracked
see
up.
inside.
So good.
Good pork belly.
else?
Let's see the steak.
Chicken, steak.
Steak look good. She takes the dough, Titan.
I take the dough to the tent. I didn't know what it was. And I
How
start,
you did not know what it was?
because I don't do that. And so I start
It's all over the internet.
petting the wall. And I'm like in the bathroom.
But
I'm like,
not our generation.
this-
It's on the internet.
here's some more chimichurri. Thank you. And I start saying, this is a wall. And I start putting the wall. And I'm like, it's a wall.
I'm done.
and my mother comes in. No, she's like, I will take care of you. It's like, I'm hot in my mother's house, petting the wall. There's something touching my leg.
Please even touch your napkin.
Steak is nice and soft. Why is it hot though? Why is it hot?
That flour definitely did not hit you right. Good up by.
Very spicy.
It was my
Very
skirt.
juicy.
I'm done.
Delicious
What's your
steak.
drink? No, you only had one drink.
So the skirt steak, what? Good. Was this,
Okay.
the skirt steak was good.
You are absolutely right. The chimney just gave me a kick right now. So the chimney is a bit spicy for those spice lovers. This is really good steak. I think you'll be fine.
Nice sausage. See how it tastes.
I like it.
Wait,
It's good.
I've been like
I like it.
nursing my dream. I need to finish that.
I can't really complain about eating food. Food is good.
So tempting.
The nochi is dope. The nochi was very flavorful. Cheese is very sharp.
Like if you
Sauce is very creamy. I enjoy that dish. I think nochi is the way to go. They like their dishes too.
I've never been.
The only woman in America who makes the passengers get out just because she got to park. Like, we affected. I gotta watch this one.
This person back here, they don't know how to park.
This here is the oldest schoolhouse. It's crazy to think that many moons ago, people went to school here. Little children went to school here. In this very building. Talking about centuries ago.
I've been to town today to save $1.
Right over here is the city gates. The actual walls. This gate opened in 1739. So we at the Castillo, and we will be going in this time. This is the moat, which would have been filled with water and gators. And this is the entrance. This is what their living quarters would look like. They'll sleep on hardwood with these little skimpy makeshift mattresses. Could you imagine when it was chilly out? That's their table. We got fish hanging, garlic with some fruits. This is the one of the prisons. Could you imagine having to be in there permanently for life? That's awful.
The boat things.
These are the tools that they use. The wheelbarrow. They even got a cannon hole in here that made it through. These are original doors. Look at those nails. They even got their names carved. They even got their initials carved into it. Replica cannons.
I'll let that blow up. Yeah.
This is where you enlisted into service to the army. High-ranking quarters. They even got cards. Checkers.
Okay,
This was the spot. From both ends. Yeah. The powder room.
I walks into this doorway. It's great.
Oh, you can smell the gunpowder still. You can still smell the gunpowder. Go through that little hole. They accidentally shot right there.
Maybe it's just the crumbling. Great.
Yeah. Oh, this is the toilets they would use.
I'll have to go potty.
This was their toilets. You can still see the dookie stains.
Okay, good. Oh, we're going to outside.
This is the view up top.
It feels nice up here.
Nice and standing here, you see a fleet coming in to attack. You gotta defend yourselves. The cannons. Cannons. Over there, where you see that green cannon, they have captured on camera an old school lantern just floating in the air at night here. They have brains,
It's great.
and that brain power works for them.
Got no phones, got no computer, you just have to know what you're doing. Granted. Every single person that was in this town was in this port. Is it okay?
Okay.
Is it okay?
St. George's Inn.
What's your choice of frozen cocktail?
They look good.
I will take them all.
Fort Alley Wines. This is inside. This is St. George's Inn, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what was outside.
So we ordered frozen cocktails here.
They got a wine room. I'll take one. I'll take one, yeah. Yes, I'll take one. Where you see that at?
Right here. Frozen cocktails.
I'm gonna do lime. So they got all types of wine. There's the lime margarita, mango margarita, pina colada.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna order a key lime cake and a peanut butter mini cake.
It's working for me.
Yeah, it's called Fort Alley Wine. So the cocktails, frozen cocktails, thumbs up.
Frozen cocktails. They have wine. They have a whole wine room of more expensive wines you can buy if you want to. They have beers. They have a little bit of everything. Even like single shots that you can buy. And then on the other side, it's coffee. And you can get specialty coffees and pastries and good eats like these, which taste like peanut butter. Really, really good.
Tastes like a Reese's.
And then this blueberry cheesecake looks amazing.
That looks phenomenal. Yeah.
Great stuff. Cool off with some frozen cocktails.
That's the lime. That's the lime.
Lime margaritas.
That over there is the pina colada.